Bees are small insects, but they have a big job. They are pollinators. This means they help plants make seeds. These seeds grow into new plants. Without bees, we would have less food to eat. Bees live together in large groups called colonies. A single bee cannot survive alone. It needs the colony to thrive. The colony works together to build a hive, find food, and raise young. Bees are important for our environment. They help maintain biodiversity. This means they help many different kinds of plants to grow. These plants provide food and shelter for other animals. Bees are fascinating creatures. Understanding their way of life can help us appreciate their importance. By learning about bees, we can all do our part to protect them. A bee colony lives in a hive. The hive is a busy and organized place. Each bee has a specific job to do. The queen bee is the most important bee in the hive. Her job is to lay eggs. These eggs will hatch into new worker bees. The queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Worker bees are all female. They do most of the work in the hive. They clean and guard the hive. They collect nectar and pollen. They also make honey from the nectar. Drones are male bees. Their only job is to mate with the queen bee. Drones do not have stingers. They cannot collect pollen or nectar either. The bees work together seamlessly. Their roles ensure the survival and success of the entire colony. Bees play a crucial role in pollination. Pollination is the process of moving pollen from one flower to another. This process allows plants to produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. When a bee lands on a flower, pollen sticks to its furry body. As the bee flies to another flower, it carries the pollen with it. This transfer of pollen helps plants reproduce. Many of the foods we eat rely on bee pollination. These include apples, almonds, berries, and cucumbers. Without bees, our diets would be much less diverse and nutritious. Bees also pollinate wildflowers and other plants. These plants provide habitats for animals and help keep our ecosystems healthy. Bees face many threats. One major threat is the use of pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals used to kill insects that damage crops, but they can also harm bees. Habitat loss is another serious problem. As humans build more homes and roads, bees lose the places where they find food and shelter. Climate change also affects bees. We can help protect bees by reducing our use of pesticides. We can plant flowers that attract bees. Providing bees with a safe and healthy environment is crucial. It is important to protect bee colonies. We need to understand the dangers they face. Everyone can make a difference in the effort to save bees. Our actions can help ensure their survival for generations to come.